Hello everyone, Dr. Ashes here. 2 days ago I made a video regarding gin and its benefit, and I strongly recommend if in this pandemic or any other pandemic in the future you want to have an alcoholic beverage, go for the gin. So despite of the negative effect of the alcohol, you can get some benefit from the herb inside. I will leave the link in the description if you want to watch it again. So in this video I want to talk about the very wrong concept of drinking lots of alcohol can fight the coronavirus inside our system. So if the infected person drinking alcohol, some people think it can help. And these thoughts is so widespread that the minister of the Belarus even asked the citizen to drink vodka to fight the coronavirus. This is a very wrong concept, and maybe it comes from the usage of the sanitizer, because from the beginning of this infection and the pandemic, everybody keeps saying use sanitizer, wash your hand with the alcohol sanitizer. And so some people think since the alcohol can kill the virus on the hand, if they consume it, maybe it can kill it in their system, which is a totally wrong concept. So to understand more, if you watch these germs that is exposed to the alcohol, they're gonna die. Most of them gonna die, but it takes time. So technically, when we expose a virus or germ or bacteria to the alcohol, there's three factors, main factors that involve in the killing the germ. First, the concentration of the alcohol. Second, the amount of time that they exposed to, and then lastly, the virus or bacteria itself, because the out layer of the virus and bacteria make them more resistant to the alcohol concentration, and it's varied between them. So what happened when we drink the alcohol? So when we drink the alcohol, it goes to our throat and go down to the stomach. So what if our throat got the infection? What if our sinus got the infection? What if our lung got the infection? So by reaching the alcohol to our stomach, technically we not expose the area to the alcohol for a long time. And other than that, they are inside the cells, not outside, which we discuss about it. So after we consume the alcohol and it reach our stomach, 20% of the alcohol will absorb to our bloodstream, and the rest will go to the small intestine, and the rest of the alcohol will absorb through that. So once the alcohol is inside our bloodstream, it reaches the heart, it pumps, and it reaches all over our body, also our nervous system. The first effect of the alcohol on the nervous system is reduce the pulse and make it slower, which can result in the lower immune system. So that's the first negative effect. The second negative effect is liver. Alcohol should go to the liver, and inside the liver it must detoxify. So some enzymes are involved in this process, which I explain in my next video, to detoxify the alcohol. So as you know, coronavirus can attack the liver. So on top of the attack of the virus to the liver, we bring more toxin to the liver, and this can overload the liver and cause to the liver failure. And main important fact here is, if the concentration of alcohol inside our blood system goes more than 0.4%, it's already we are already intoxicated, and we can face of death by the alcohol intoxication. Very simple. And what is the dosage of the sanitizer that recommended to kill the coronavirus is 60%. Look at the differences. So even if the person drink lots of alcohol, he or she will kill himself before this alcohol even can do any damage to the coronavirus. Viruses are replicated inside the cell. So for the fact that the alcohol reach the virus, it needs to kill the cell first, then reach the virus. Therefore, the story of drinking lots of alcohol can kill the coronavirus is totally garbage. Please don't buy it and don't go for it. And if you find this video informative, please like, subscribe. It will help my channel. Until next time, stay safe and well.